Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me in this video. I have a project share I want to show you guys. I've made a birthday card. It's a different kind of card to your normal card where you just open it up and then you write your message in your greeting card. I made this for my daughter, or my youngest daughter, who just turned 19 today, and I wanted to show you guys the birthday card I made for her before I give this to her tonight when we have our dinner. So what I wanted to do with the birthday card was to combine the cards so that we could put some money in the card for her. So I made a pocket for the money as her gift, and I also wanted to add another pocket where we could write our birthday message to her instead of writing it on the birthday card like we would normally would. And I want to show you how I made the card. It's a really fun project that I made today for her. It was just a really quick card, and I also made a vellum envelope pocket to fit the birthday card for her as well. I've been having a lot of fun working with vellum in my last few projects, so I wanted to make a envelope for it. I also did a vellum pocket pouch in one of my other videos as well. If you wanted to have a look on how I made these vellum pockets, I used some washi tape here on the side to create the closure. I also use prima flowers to embellish the card and also to decorate the opening of the envelope. And this is the prima flower pack that I used. I got this from Sassy Scrappers here in Australia. They have a fantastic online store, and they have a lot of prima flowers, all your paper supplies for your projects, and I'll put the link down below for the Sassy Scrapper store for you if you wanted to go and have a look. And then I embellished the prima flowers with these really fantastic glue dots by Glue Dots. If you are in Australia, I'll put the link down below on where you can purchase these really fantastic glue dots. I really highly recommend them for all of your embellishing. They are really strong and mess free and just great for your projects as well. So I'm going to show you the card that I made, and then I used just some foam double-sided tape to create the closure for the envelope. And this is the card that I made for her. I had so much fun making it. So it's really, I think this is her personality. The beautiful paper that I used was by Die Cut with a View. It's their 12 by 12 paper pad. It's their navy florals paper collection. Beautiful blue tones. There are some more prima flowers. This is also a cut apart that I just cut out from the 12 by 12 paper pad. And this is the happy birthday die that I have in my stash. Added some sequins. Again, I used glue dots for the to adhere the sequins. They come in different sizes, so there's a little tiny glue dots that you could use your sequins. And this is how the inside of the card looks like. So here is the pocket, and that's her name down here. Then I placed these cut apart tags that I also used from the 12 by 12 paper pad, and this is where we're going to write our birthday message. I'll have one to write on one. My eldest daughter will write on one card, and then her dad will also write in one, and then that can just stay in that side pocket there. And then on this side here is where we're going to give her her money, and the money will be placed in this side pocket this way. So they'll go in there like that, and then it just closes up like that. And then when she's taken the money out, I didn't want to leave this part all blank, so I then embellished this part as well with a dolly, and again another word phrase quote from the 12 by 12 pad as well, and then place that there. And that way when she wants to just place it on her table, there is a little message here on this side for her to read as well. And it's a really beautiful card. I'm really happy with it. So that's just a fun way to make a birthday card where you can add your money in here, add your messages on some tags. You can also place a gift card, add a couple more little gifts that may fit in the card in the pocket. And I use the Martha Stewart border edge paper punch as well to decorate the edge of the pockets. It also would make a snail mail flip book if you wanted to use it for snail mailing, but I wanted to make this as a birthday card for her. And then I had some paper left and I made a little gift box. And I didn't use a die to make this cute little box. And this here is what I used to keep it closed. I have these in my Etsy store, beautiful little clips, and then I also made them with the jumbo paper clip. So these are great to add to your planners, traveler's note book. And this one here, you can also have it with a fold back clip if you wanted to. And I just thought that would be just a fun way to use it as a closure, and then she can use this something else if she wanted to. But these beautiful blue flower charm dangles will be listed in my store. And then on the inside of the gift box I've placed one of these. I don't even know what it is. She has been wanting it. It's a lip scrub by Frank, and so I purchased that for her, and that will just fit nicely in this little gift box. If you wanted to see a tutorial on how I made the cute little gift box and the birthday card, leave a comment down below, and I would be happy to show you a quick tutorial on how to make the card and this cute little gift box to place your little gifts in there as well. So I just wanted to quickly share with you this quick project of my birthday card idea before I give this to her tonight. I do hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next video for more projects and tutorials. Bye for now.